This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Interactive Brokers. First, navigate to the Interactive Brokers website and click Open Account. You'll need to select your account type, like an individual or joint account, and provide your country of residence. Then, enter your email address, create a unique username, and set a strong password. This initial step is quick and gets your application started smoothly. Next, you'll fill out your personal and financial information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and residential address. You'll also need to provide details about your employment, annual income, and total net worth. Be sure to accurately state your investment objectives and risk tolerance, as this helps tailor your trading experience. Once your personal details are complete, it's time to fund your account. You can link your bank account by providing your routing and account numbers for an electronic transfer. Interactive Brokers offers several funding methods, so choose the one that suits you best. Depositing funds is essential to activate your trading capabilities and begin investing. Finally, you'll select your trading permissions, specifying the types of assets you wish to trade, such as stocks, options, or futures. Carefully review all the information you've provided to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks correct, electronically sign the necessary agreements and submit your application. Interactive Brokers will then review it, and you'll be ready to trade soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.